Some Apex Legends mobile players have been coming across the 154,140,712 error code while playing this game. Players cannot join the game and the update failed error message is shown alongside the error code mentioned above. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error code mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Check Apex Legends mobile server status. Before you try any of the other potential fixes below, you should begin this troubleshooting attempt by checking whether the game is currently in the middle of a server problem. You can verify the status of the Apex Legends mobile servers by checking the official Apex Legends mobile status website for any recent server issues. And see if any issues are in your local area. If all is fine there, head over to Twitter, just access the dedicated page and see if other users playing the game on the same platform as you are currently seeing the same error code. If your investigation has revealed that the game developers are currently in the middle of mitigating server problems, just wait for a couple of hours before trying to launch Apex Legends Mobile again. In case this has not revealed any underlying server issue with the game, move down to the next method. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure you're using a stable and faster internet connection to get a smoother Battle Royale gameplay. If in case you're using a mobile data connection over 4G, 5G, then make sure to use a Wi-Fi connection and by sitting close to the router. Also, make sure other devices aren't hogging the internet bandwidth. Someone downloading a new game may cause lag on other devices that are connected to the same network. In case you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try disabling the Wi-Fi connection and using data instead, such as your friend's mobile data hotspot or Wi-Fi network on your device, to ensure whether the Apex Legends mobile update failed error is still bothering you or not. If you use a VPN service to access Apex Mobile from an unsupported region, try uninstall the VPN app you use presently and download a different VPN service. Method 3. Don't use a VPN service if you are from a supported region. If you are currently playing Apex Legends Mobile from Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Mexico, Peru, Argentina, Colombia, you will not need a VPN. If you are still using a VPN service, please disable it and check whether the issue persists. Method 4. Clear the Apex Legends mobile cache data. Clearing cache is one of the most recommended solutions by tech experts in case of any app-related issue. Especially for games, social apps and browsers, it is a must to clean these apps' caches twice a week at least. Method 5. Try update Apex Legends mobile and device. If you're somehow running an outdated Apex Legends mobile game version on your handset, then make sure to install the latest update. An outdated or corrupted game version can trigger several compatibility issues. In addition, you should also check System Software Update for device. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall Apex Legends Mobile. When you uninstall software, app, game, it will delete all the game data and files. By this trick, the corrupt files related to the game will also get deleted. Apex Legends Mobile is an account-based app. All data is stored on Apex Legends Mobile servers. So uninstalling the Apex Legends Mobile will not delete any of your gallery data or internal app data. If uninstall and reinstall Apex Legends Mobile don't work, then contacting EA support through this website is the last option.